Whose birthday is it, Sophie?
Is it Sophie's birthday? How many candles are there? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Sophie. Happy birthday to you. Oh, one more. Blow. Yay, Sophie. Oh, careful. Okay. Good girl. And what about the other one? No, not that end. Good girl. Say happy birthday, Sophie.
Happy birthday.
She knows it's her birthday. Is it Sophie's birthday? She's doing okay with that fork too. Sophie, do you like your cake? Is it yummy?